a trailer which crossed more than 1 million views in less than 4 days, a content that has been adopted from international bestseller. The book in question is A Suitable Boy by Vikram Seth, which is being shown on BBC One from 26 July 2020. Hello and welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Pritham. In today's video, I will talk about this particular book, A Suitable Boy by Vikram Seth. This particular book is adapted and telecasted as a mini-series on BBC One. The content is being directed by Indian-American filmmaker Meera Nair. If you find today's content useful, then do hit the like button. And if you want to watch similar content, then do subscribe my channel Book Tales by Pritham and do hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Now, without further ado, let's begin today's video. Now first, let us watch the trailer over here.
No one can be sure of what the future will be.
You will marry a boy I choose.
I don't think I ever want to get married. India is a free country now.
Your sister, my brother, I'm supposed to be next.
His obsession with that woman.
Nobody ever meant anything to me till I met you.
Have you no shame at all?
I am determined. I won't give up until I found my Lata's
Suitable Boy is made into a mini-series by Meera Nair. Meera Nair is known to have made quality content. She has previously made content like an adaptation from Jhumpa Lahiri's book, The Namesake, which starred Tabu and Irfan Khan. She had also made Mistress of Spices, which was written by Chitra Banerjee Devakurani and which starred Aishwarya Rai Bachchan in the lead role. She has also made hit Hindi movies like Salaam Bombay and Monsoon Wedding. Her latest one, A Suitable Boy, which is to be telecasted on BBC One, stars Tabu, Ishan Khattar, Tanya Maniktala, Ram Kapoor, to name a few, in the lead roles. The trailer, as I had shown in the beginning of the video, looks quite promising. And you know what? Currently I am reading this huge book, of which I have finished around 300 pages only of this book, which has 1349 pages. It is one of the longest fiction book ever written. And I would like to say that I want to finish this book ASAP and find how much more similarity is there between this particular book and the content that is being telecasted in BBC One. I will put the link of this particular book in the description section below. So if after watching this particular content you are interested to buy this particular book, then do buy it from the link given in the description section below, because if you buy it from the link given in the description section below, then I get small percentage as commission from the Amazon affiliate link. You can see a page coming out of this. Literally I have written down from each particular section what is the content of that particular chapter. This particular book, I guess, is divided into 18 chapters, which again is divided into different sections. And each particular section is small, but you know what, the writing you can see is small and it is taking me time to read the book. But what I find interesting about this particular book is that this book, I will tell, it is like a mini soap opera where each particular sub-chapter ends with interesting climax. So that is what I found quite interesting, why I am more engaged to read this particular book. Now I will tell you in details about this particular book, A Suitable Boy by Vikram Seth. A Suitable Boy was written and published by Vikram Seth in 1993. As I told you in the beginning that this book has 1349 pages and the number of words, I have marked it in my laptop, it is 5,91,552. A sequel to this book, A Suitable Girl, was supposed to get released in 2017, but it hasn't been done yet. The biggest influence of Vikram Seth to write A Suitable Boy was a Chinese 5-volume book called The Story of Stone. So that book also, if I get, I will put the link in the description section below. This book, A Suitable Boy, is set across post-independent, post-partition India. The story centers around 4 prime families and the story revolves over a period of 18 months. The major plot of the story is Mrs. Rupa Mehta, who is trying to find a suitable boy for her daughter Lata. Lata is a 19-year-old girl who is a college student, who is least influenced by her mother Rupa Mehta or her opinionated brother Arun. Lata's story revolves around making a choice between her 3 shooters, Harish, Amit and Iqbal. The story is set in a fictitious place called Brahmpur, and there is also mention of Kolkata, Lucknow, Benares in this beautiful, fascinating tale, A Suitable Boy. This one is a beautiful quote that I found in the book, and so I would like to mention this particular quote over here. The major issues that I found in this particular book and which I felt should be discussed was the socio-economic political condition of India, or rather post-independent India in the early 1950s. The family relationship that existed in Indian families at that point of time. There is a section where you can see older women and a younger male relationship. There is also questions like the abolition of Jamindari system, the caste or the Jati system, love relationship between a Hindu girl and a Muslim boy, and a mother's concern to get her 19-year-old daughter married as soon as she gets a suitable suitor for him. Now let me tell you what I liked about this particular book, A Suitable Boy by Vikram Seth. This particular book, A Suitable Boy by Vikram Seth, has got descriptive narration. So strong the description are that you start visualizing the character before your eyes. As I told in the beginning that there are sub-chapters for each particular section or chapter, and those sub-chapters, each of those chapters are like one episode of the Hindi soap opera, where each chapter has something to present to its reader. Yes, at places there are some bits and bits which you can skip or ignore. So this book is definitely for people who like to read content with detailed description of a scene, event or a character. Also, one more thing that I would like to say about this particular book, A Suitable Boy by Vikram Seth, is that when you are reading this particular book, give this book time to read, finish and enjoy. I have started this book about 20 days back, but I have just managed to read 300 pages. Yes, I'm enjoying the book to the fullest. So that is the reason I'm reading the book slowly. I know the book will take me time to read and complete, and that is what I'm suggesting to my audiences as well. As I told you that I haven't finished reading this book, so rating this book at this particular stage wouldn't be a right thing to do. But I'm thoroughly enjoying this particular book, and so I'm giving it time to read. As far as the trailer goes, I find it quite impressive. Meera Nair is a veteran director, and the cast is quite good cast, I will say, and overall, if you tell me that, if I tell you that overall the content is very promising. So just as I think I'm telling you, the book is quite good. The book have received several accolades since its publication. I wish this particular content also touches the audience's heart. No, this is not a paid promotion. It is completely talking about a content which I have liked, and that is why I thought on my channel Book Tales by Preetha, why not share my opinion on this particular book, A Suitable Boy, and also talk about this beautiful, promising content which is a talking term for film and content lovers. So, if you like this particular video or if you found this content useful, then please press the like button. Whatever you want to say as feedback, please share it in the comment section. To know more about Book Tales by Preetha, do not forget to join our Facebook group, which is by the name Book Tales by Preetha. Book Tales by Preetha is also there on Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is by the name Book Tales by Preetha. On Twitter, it is my personal handle, which is @PreethaSharkar18. And to follow my blog, which also I plan to write on this particular book, A Suitable Boy. And if I finish before posting this particular video, then I will definitely post my feedback, detailed feedback on this particular book, A Suitable Boy by Vikram Seth, on my blog, which is preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. Thank you for watching this content till the end. I will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, tata and goodbye. And do share it with your friends and relatives, because if you share my content, only then small YouTube content creators like us grow. Bye bye.